Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about how to create a virtual environment and how to write a simple API using Flask framework in Python. So what is virtual environment? So basically each and every project requires different types of libraries, modules to be installed. So it can be different types of versions and the packages should not be installed globally. So for those reasons the virtual environment was used. So that is the main reason actually. So there are two ways I'm gonna discuss here. So creating a virtual environment. One is manually creating a virtual environment and one more is using Python. So let us start with creating a virtual environment manually. So for that I'm going to create a folder. Python programs. So inside the directory I'm going to open a terminal. So we need to enter this command, virtual environment VM. So this is a syntax and this is a user defined name. So basically virtual environment will be available by default in Windows, but in Ubuntu we need to install that additionally. So the command will be sudo apt install virtual environment. So you can see here I have already installed the virtual environment. So it says it's already installed the newest version. So I can straight away go for the direct creating the virtual environment. So the syntax will be virtual environment. So the name I'm giving VM. So it is created. So you can see here there is a folder created which I given the name VNV. So the same folder has been created. So we need to activate the virtual environment here. So for that I'm going to switch to the VNV, the folder, and we need to give this syntax. This is a command to activate the virtual environment. Bin inside bin can be activate. So you can see here the recently created virtual environment get activated. So this is how we can create a virtual environment manually. And the next way we can go for the Python. So let me open the Python. So I'm going to create a new project. So the project name will be environment, and the virtual environment file name will be m3. Click create new window. So it is get created. You can see here there is a virtual environment got created. So you can go and verify that using the settings option, project, interpreter. So you can see here there are only two packages are installed by default, pip and the setup tools. So this is how the virtual environment can be created in two different ways. Okay, so let's move into the creating API, simple API. So for that I'm going to use the Flask framework here. So let me install the Flask framework. So I'm giving add Flask. Oops. Click install. So the packages has been installed. So let me give OK, and I'm going to create a Python file here. Test API. Okay. So we need to import the package which we installed now. Flask import Flask. So we need request and JSON file. So the request will accept the parameters which is given in the runtime. So the runtime parameters can be captured using the request, and we need to return the result as JSON. So for that we can use this method JSONify from Flask. So now we need to create an instance for the Flask. So the syntax will be flask underscore name. So we have created an instance for the Flask, and now we can access the the methods from the Flask, right? So I'm going to create a route now. So for that I'm calling the app the instance dot route. So I'm going to give the route name using the slash test, and I'm going to define a method for all the methods. HTTP methods it can accept is post. So this route will accept only the method post. Okay, so method accepts none. So I'm going to declare a variable, and I'm going to capture the runtime values using request.json. So now whatever the values given at the runtime will be captured as a key pair value, so into this variable payload, right? So what we gonna do in this API is we gonna process a string. So we are going to count the characters if it is repeating in that string, given string. So for that I'm going to write a piece of code here. So at the runtime we are going to capture the values in this key values, right? So I'm going to declare the result empty dictionary, and I'm looping the string. I'm declaring the count equal to 0 initially. Current value equals the next value, I'm gonna increase the count value, and I'm going to assign it to the current value, and finally I'm returning the values as JSON. So for that we have initially imported the JSONify. So here what's happening is we are getting the input, the string, and we are checking the string if there is any characters repeating. If it is repeating, we are counting the how many numbers it gets repeating and assigning it to the value, right? So let's check whether it works. So before that I need to run this. So for that we need to write the syntax. So this is like the main function, m.run. So we can give here host names. By default this will be run in the localhost, and we can go for the IP also. If we provide 0.0.0.0, it will run in the IP address, so it's not required for us. And we can give the port also. So I'm gonna give this is the port number, and debug equal to true. So what this will do is it will automatically restore the restore the application. So if there is any changes, so that is what the debug true is used, right? Let's run this app. So it's running now. So I'm opening up the Postman. I hope you guys are aware of the Postman. If not, please go for the documentation. So our method is post. We have declared the method post, and URL will be HTTP. It's running in the HTTP. You can see here. So we can either give 127 or localhost. The port we given is 5155 slash the route name is test, right? So it accepts the JSON value. So in headers I'm going to pass this content type application JSON, and in the body the type will be JSON. So here it accepts the key values, and I'm giving a random string here, so blah blah blah, right? So I'm sending now. So you can see here, so the character A is repeating up to 4 times. So you can see here the character A is repeating 4 times. So we have written a simple API to process a string character count in here as an API. So I hope you guys got some idea on creating an API and also the virtual environment in this video. And please comment, and if you want to know, if you want to clarify, or if you want me to add some more informations in the video, and so please suggest me your comments. So thank you friends.